WordPress for beginners. Create your own WordPress website. Course description. You're here because you want to create your own WordPress websites, right? This is the perfect place to start. This complete course is designed for beginners like you who have never built a WordPress website, or any website for that matter. WordPress is the perfect tool for creating a fully customized website for any purpose. Whether you want to create a blog, a personal portfolio, or a business website to sell your products and services, you can do it with WordPress. While WordPress might seem scary from the outside, once you get started, it's fairly intuitive. Everything from hosting to installing a theme, then actually building your first pages can be learned in the first few lessons of this course. With this course, you don't need to actually pay for hosting to practice with WordPress. I'll show you how to create a free temporary site so you can follow along. Why learn from me? I've been building WordPress websites for years. Just like you, there was a time when I was a complete newbie. I was honestly scared of starting a WordPress website because it seemed so daunting. Now I love WordPress. I wouldn't recommend using any other web building tool. I still remember what it is like to be a beginner, and I've kept that in mind while creating this entire course. I walk you through every process step by step to make sure you understand things clearly. And if there is ever anything that is confusing, just let me know and I'll create more lessons that explain or walk you through myself. Course content. You will learn how to build your own beautiful website using WordPress. You will learn how to design your WordPress website the way you imagine. You will be able to customize your WordPress website for any purpose of yours, whether it's a blog, a portfolio to show off your work, or an e-commerce site to sell your products or services. You will learn how to host and publish your website in an inexpensive and secure way. You will know how to design pages, menus, sidebars, footers, and create a professional and modern website. You will know how to find and install themes. You will know how to find and install plugins. You will know how to back up your WordPress website in case of emergency. You will know how to get your website found by search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. You will know how to set up email opt-in forms throughout your website. You will know how to increase social sharing of your posts and pages with free plugins. You will know how to set up comments and contact pages, while blocking spam. You will know how to speed up your website with caching plugins. You will know how to make your website secure and protected from hackers. You will know how to set up a membership and/or e-commerce site. Design a site that works for you. No matter what your goal is with your WordPress website, I want to make sure you're able to achieve those goals. That's what I promise to help you out with. Plugins you'll learn about: Jetpack, Google Analyticator, Google Analytics Dashboard, Backup Buddy, Backup WordPress, VaultPress, All-in-One SEO Pack, Yoast SEO, Google XML Sitemaps, W3 Total Cache, WP Super Cache, SumoMe, Mail Poet, Opt-in Monster, Lead Pages, Optimize Press, Share by SumoMe, Floating Social Icons, Akismet, Discuss, Contact Form 7, Fast Secure Contact Forms, Pretty Link, Redirection, Editorial Calendar, Security, WordFence security, many more. Who is this WordPress course for? This course is for anyone brand new to creating WordPress websites. If you have never built a website before, great. If you've built a website on another platform like Wix, Weebly, GoDaddy, or others, that's fine too. This course is not for people trying to learn to code a custom website. In this course, we'll learn how to use the thousands of themes and plugins already out there to design our own custom websites.